Building AI agents today? Should you choose LangChain or OpenAI Agents SDK? Let's compare both frameworks in just 2 minutes. LangChain separates components into multiple layers, while the OpenAI Agents SDK combines everything inside one lightweight agent abstraction.
LangChain requires explicit model initialization, while OpenAI Agents SDK configures the model directly inside the agent.
Both frameworks support tool calling, but the Agents SDK provides a simpler native decorator with less boilerplate. LangChain builds the agent from multiple components, while OpenAI Agents SDK defines everything in one concise object. LangChain communicates through message objects, while OpenAI Agents SDK provides a cleaner execution flow using runner. LangChain requires parsing multiple message types, while the Agents SDK exposes the final answer directly. The OpenAI Agents SDK dramatically reduces boilerplate, making AI agent development faster and easier. LangChain supports multiple model providers, while the OpenAI Agents SDK focuses on delivering the best OpenAI experience. Choose LangChain for advanced orchestration and OpenAI Agents SDK when you want clean, production-ready OpenAI agents quickly.
Both frameworks are powerful. Your choice depends on flexibility versus simplicity and your project's requirements.
Which framework would you choose for your next AI project? Let us know in the comments and subscribe for more AI tutorials.